Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So in a way, the US dollar CAD is pushing beyond the 78%. If it does push and hold beyond this level, then I would say that it probably will take out the previous highs. Now, I still think it looks like a WXY, and it still could go all the way up here and still end up going down for a wave Y later on. So it really doesn't change anything for me. Taking it down to the weekly time frame, the trend is definitely up. We have no break or structure to the downside, no reason at all to say that the trend is not up and that we should primarily be focused on longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily, my last structure level is still way down here. So anything I see, even if it does start to move to the downside, I would always be assuming that the move down was just a correction to the last wave up. Until I see a break or structure or some reason to say that this trend is over, any move I see to the downside is nothing more than a correction to the last wave up. Just like this move down was a correction to this. This move down was a correction to this. This move down right here was just a correction to this. Until we get a break in this high low series, I definitely am going to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, like I've been saying, this move down still kind of looks like a wave A. It still kind of looks like it could be a wave B. Now, I personally am not going to take it as a short. I would much prefer to just wait for another long, because even though it looks like it could possibly go down and make a big old giant wave C and then continue the uptrend later on, we don't really know that that's what's going to happen. It could literally just push down a little bit, make another higher low, and just keep on trending up, which is why I'm definitely looking for longs in a uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, if price goes down and breaks this low, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on here. If price makes a three-way pullback within a Fibonacci retracement level of this move up and then an impulsive move up, I would take it as a long. If price doesn't do that, but instead keeps going down and breaks these lows, then I would throw my Fibonacci on the whole series of higher highs, higher lows, and I would still be looking for a three-way pullback to go long. So pay attention to your structure, pay attention to your fib levels, and you should hopefully be trading in the right direction. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.